Hi guys, this background is fake. Just take a look at it. You see, it's a fake background. And how do I achieve this? I'm going to explain to you guys in less than 2 minutes. Very simple. YouTube wants their content creators to come up with amazing content for their viewers. So now you can make use of a fake YouTube background and insert your video for your audience to see amazing content. And how do I go about that? I noticed that most YouTubers, like beginners, use their phone to edit their videos. So I'm not going to be using my laptop to edit this video. I'm going to be using the phone, a mobile phone, to edit it, so you can see how you can use your phone to remove your background from your video. If you are using a live background like this, make sure you stay away from the background, like stay far away from the background so it shouldn't be too close to the background. The second thing here is the best way to record is for you to use a plain background when you don't have images. And the last part here is make sure you use a good light. If you don't have a good light, take your video during the afternoon time close to your window so the sun ray can help your camera quality. So with no further ado, let's go straight down to the order of the day. I want to take you guys to CapCut. There's this amazing thing I want you guys to know about CapCut. Before, the only background we can remove from our editing software is the green background. I don't know if you are used to green background, but now with CapCut, even with InShot, you can remove your live background from your video. I'm going to show you guys how to go about that now. So come with me guys, let's go straight to the order of the day. So the first thing we are going to do guys is to go to Google, then type out free YouTube studio background, free YouTube studio background. Now you go to images, see what we have guys. All these backgrounds here, they are from freepik. You can choose to go to freepik website to pick the images yourself, but you can also use Google. So let me click on this first image here. I think that's what I'm going to be working with. Can you see? So let me wait for it to load well so it can be very sharp. So I'm going to download this first image, save. Can you see? So let's go straight down to CapCut and see how to remove the image background. Now this is CapCut here. You click on CapCut on your phone. So you wait for it to open. It's loading. So now when you click on CapCut on your phone, this is what you have. Wait for it to open like this. So the next thing you do is to click on new project. When you click on new project, the first thing you import in is the picture you want to use, which is the studio background you want to use. So this is the studio background we downloaded. Can you see it? So you click on add. So now I just imported the studio background we want to use inside my CapCut. So the next place you go to now is down here. You see overlay. Can you see overlay below? You click on overlay. When you click on overlay, it's going to bring out add overlay. So you click on add overlay. Then now you go to the video at the top here. You click on video. Then you select the video we want to work on, which is this. Hi guys, this background is. I just click on add. Now as you can see, we have the video at the top of our background. Can you see? So what do you need to do from here? You go down here and look for cut out. I said cut out. Can you see? So you click on cut out. When you click on cut out, you go to remove background. See it, remove background. You click on it. Can you see? I just removed the background. Now the background is removed. The next thing you do is to place the image wherever you want to place it. You can choose to put it in the middle. You can choose to put it at the side. So let's just put it in the middle and click on this mark here that we are done. Then after that, don't forget the video is more longer than the image. As you can see, it's now black. So you go back here. You Can you see? You go back here, and increase the picture at the top here. You click on the picture and drag it backwards and increase it. Let me click on it. You click on it and you drag it backward like this. Can you see? You drag it backward like this, and it's so simple. This is how you remove background from your video. It's so simple using CapCut. So when you arrange the video properly and you lay the background on it, the next thing you do here is to export your video. And how do you export your video? You come up here, you select already, CapCut is already selected. You use 720p, not 1008, because 1008 is too heavy. You use 480p and 720p. The time frame is 24 and 25. The selection already is perfect already. So what you just need to do is to click on this arrow facing up here, and you export your video immediately, and that is just it. So once you do this, you successfully remove the background from your video and you insert the YouTube Studio background on your video. It's as simple as that, guys. So try this out, let me know your feedback, and if this video is helpful to you guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so you can see more content from me. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I really appreciate. Now the video is exporting. It's as simple as that. Try your own and let me know your feedback. Thank you guys for watching my video. Peace. I love you guys. Bye.